Guys, let's make surf fishing rig. Ito mga equipment ko guys. Monofilament 20 pounds. Weights, diamond weights, 2 circle hook and swivel. Okay guys, let's go. Okay, first thing, this one we're gonna put on the for the weights. So gawin natin ito, gawa tayo ng surgeon's loop para sa weights. Yan, loop, and then 3 rounds, 1, 2, 3. Ayan guys, mantikoy. Then we're gonna put the this weight. Ayan. Okay guys, trim the excess. And now we're gonna make this the hook, a dropper loop. Okay guys, dropper loop. Maybe one ruler from here, 12 inches, and then we make some loop. Make a loop like that, and then circle, and then grab the middle, and then put on your teeth. Okay, that's dropper loop number 1. Okay, see, another one, another ruler, maybe 12 inches from here. Okay, another loop like that. Make dropper loop again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5. Then get the middle. Okay, done. Dropper loop. Put the hook, and then the end one is the swivel. Okay, right here. I'm gonna cut on the end. Swivel, and then only Mantecoy nuts or Filipino nut. Ganyan lang yan eh. Tawag dito Filipino nut eh. Ayan ano lang, improvise nut lang eh. Basic. Yan tibay na yan eh. Ayan. Para sa yan eh, sa main line. Ito kasi leader line eh. Okay? Leader line, okay na yan. Saka lalagay mo na lang yung hook. Okay. Itong hook na to. Okay. Mantecoy just only like that. Hook. Then push it back. Okay. See? Just one hook. Para pag fishing ko sa baka bukas, hindi muna ako sa pier, muna ako ngayon, surf fishing sa beach kung makakuha. Yan guys, yan, ready na. From here to here. Simple lang eh. Mantecoy. Okay guys, at nagustuhan nyo yung video ko, keep watching my reels and also the Facebook, the YouTube. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new. Bye bye you.